Okay, we're going to move on. Next up, page 6, the estate of Wilfred Richard James Bosserman versus Errico. Let's go ahead and set forth our appearances.
Morning, Your Honor. Matt Johnson on behalf of the defendants.
And good morning, Your Honor. Garrett Chase on behalf of the plaintiffs.
And good morning. And I see we have a status check regarding issue of return and destruction of documents. Tell me where are we at on that?
Your Honor, we have provided Mr. Johnson's office with all of the documents that were listed under the order to seal. I also submitted to Mr. Johnson a signed declaration, and I have a copy of that if the court wants to see it. But essentially, I went through, diligently looked through all of my records, all of Mr. Van's records, all of the locally stored records, and all of the archived records to make sure that every single document that we had in our possession that was implicated by the order was returned to Mr. Johnson. All of the electronic copies have been deleted from our servers permanently. And so at this point, unless Mr. Johnson has any other concerns, I think we have satisfied our obligations.
All right. And Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor. I think we have received these documents. I have received his declaration, and so it appears that they have complied with that.
Okay. Where do we go from here, gentlemen, as far as this case is concerned?
I think
Your Honor, I believe the case is closed.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I just wanted to make sure of that.
We submitted I know we had the the order amending the prior order. We submitted a proposed order this week, so I think as soon as that's signed as a procedural matter, I think that's all there is left to do.
Okay.
Your Honor, there's one thing that probably ought to be just placed on the record, and that is the fact that in the probate case, Mr. Van's office filed a suggestion of death, or Bosserman actually passed away like back in October. So I'm not sure if there was even. Obviously, once they pass away, then I'm not sure that the case should have continued to proceed with all these motions to amend. So I've just put that on the record.
I understand, sir. I do. Good question. All right. Well, everyone enjoy your. Yeah, what we have here, and I don't know, Mr. Johnson, if you had a chance to look at this, but it's an amended. Oh, you submitted it? Okay, I don't know if Mr. Chase had an opportunity to review it. It would be the amendment to findings of facts and conclusions of law. Have you seen that yet, sir?
I have. So my office submitted one. This was based on the hearing back in December. It was Mr. Johnson's order with just an expanded transcript. I believe. Without seeing it, it's hard to tell, Your Honor. I apologize.
I understand.
I think
Yeah, you might want to take a look at the file and see. I don't know if you have it or not, sir. So,
and I'll confirm. Has it been signed, Your Honor, at this point?
No.
Okay. I'll check that. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Anything you want to add in that regard, Mr. Johnson?
Not that I'm aware of, Your Honor, at this time.
Okay. All right. Everyone enjoy your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You have a great day. Thank you, Your Honor.
You too. Moving on. Next up, page 7 of the calendar, and that's